Starting a food business from home can feel challenging, but in many cases, one simple machine is enough to get started. Across home kitchens and small workspaces, people are using compact food machines to turn basic ingredients into products customers love and buy again. These machines save time, improve consistency, and make small-scale production possible without a large setup. In this video, you will see 11 of practical food machines that can help you create sellable products right from your own space. Each one is designed to be compact, efficient, and suitable for small businesses, whether you are selling at local markets, online, or through nearby cafes. With the right machine and a clear idea, even a small home setup can turn into a steady source of income. If you want links or full details on where to get these machines, just comment "I'm ready" and I'll share the complete list with you. Let's begin. Coffee roaster machine. Few things attract people like the rich smell of freshly roasted coffee. With a coffee roaster machine, raw green coffee beans are transformed into flavorful, aromatic blends that can stand out in a crowded market. These machines roast beans evenly inside a rotating drum, helping you control flavor, color, and aroma. For a home-based business, a mid-level roaster handling a few kilos per batch is ideal. It is compact enough for a small workspace, yet powerful enough to supply local customers, cafes, or farmers markets. Coffee customers are loyal, and once they enjoy a specific roast, they tend to come back regularly, which means repeat sales and steady profit. The main challenge is consistency. Beans from different regions roast differently, and it takes practice to maintain uniform quality. However, once mastered, a coffee roaster can turn a daily habit into a strong, long-term income stream. Edible ink printer machine. An edible ink printer machine allows you to print photos, logos, and designs directly onto cakes, cookies, and cupcakes. It works like a regular inkjet printer, but uses food, safe, edible ink and frosting sheets instead of paper. This machine adds instant value to desserts by offering personalization, something customers are happy to pay extra for. Birthday cakes, event cookies, and branded desserts become premium products with very little added effort. This makes it a high-margin customization tool for small food businesses. There are ongoing costs to consider. Edible ink cartridges and frosting sheets need frequent replacement, which can increase expenses over time. The printer also works best on flat surfaces, making it ideal for cookies and sheet cakes, but less useful for detailed or sculpted desserts. Even with these limits, the ability to personalize products can significantly increase profits per order. Mini donut maker machine. Few foods grab attention like fresh mini donuts being made on the spot. A mini donut maker machine automatically pours batter, cooks the donuts evenly, and produces steady batches with minimal effort. These machines can make dozens of donuts every few minutes, making them perfect for busy settings. This machine is ideal for local markets, school events, festivals, and small catering jobs. Beyond taste, the visual appeal matters. Watching hot donuts drop into a tray creates excitement, draws crowds, and increases impulse purchases, which leads to fast daily sales. For home-based sellers, this machine is compact, easy to operate, and flexible. You can offer different flavors, toppings, and fillings to keep customers interested. Because donuts are inexpensive to make and sell quickly, this machine has strong short-term profit potential. If you think these machines are interesting so far, the next ones can cost less than $300 and still produce steady daily profits. Dumpling maker machine. Making dumplings by hand takes time and skill. A dumpling maker machine speeds up the process by folding, sealing, and shaping dumplings in seconds. These machines can also be used for empanadas and similar filled foods. Manual dumpling presses cost under $50, making them ideal for beginners. Semi-automatic machines range from $200 to $700 and can produce hundreds per hour. Fully automatic models cost over $1,000, yet are still compact enough for a home kitchen setup. Dumplings are easy to freeze, store, and package, which makes them perfect for neighborhood sales and small food brands. With a dumpling maker, hours of manual labor turn into a smooth production process, helping you increase output while keeping quality consistent, leading to scalable and reliable profits. Chocolate tempering machine. Working with chocolate requires precision, and that is where a chocolate tempering machine becomes essential. Tempering is the process of heating and cooling chocolate so it sets with a glossy finish and a firm snap. Doing this by hand is difficult and inconsistent, especially in a home setup. A countertop tempering machine automates this process. Entry-level tabletop models with around 3 to 4 kilograms capacity cost about $1,000, which is enough for making truffles, chocolate bars, and molded treats at home. Larger professional units can cost $8,000 to $10,000, but those are designed for high-volume shops. With this machine, you simply add chocolate, allow it to complete the heating and cooling cycle, and it comes out ready to use. This reduces waste, improves quality, and helps produce premium chocolate products that sell at higher prices and stronger profit margins. If you are enjoying this breakdown and thinking about starting your own food business, like the video and subscribe. It helps more small business ideas reach people who need them. Peanut butter maker machine. A peanut butter maker machine, also known as a nut grinder, allows you to produce fresh nut butters without additives. These machines grind roasted peanuts or other nuts into smooth or chunky spreads, depending on your preference. Small household-style machines cost around $160 to $200, making them suitable for beginners and small batch production. Commercial-grade grinders that handle higher volumes are priced between $450 and $1,200. Lower-cost units work well for specialty flavors, while higher-end machines support daily jar production. Fresh nut butter attracts customers because of its clean ingredients and rich taste. With low raw material costs and simple packaging, this machine offers consistent demand and repeat sales, making it a strong option for long-term profit. Spice grinder machine. A spice grinder machine allows you to grind spices fresh, improving aroma, flavor, and product quality. These machines function like heavy-duty blenders, with sharp blades and powerful motors, capable of grinding peppercorns, cinnamon sticks, cumin seeds, and more. Commercial tabletop spice grinders cost around $290, while smaller electric models range from $50 to $100. For regular use, investing a few $100s ensures reliability and consistent performance. Freshly ground spices stand out in the market. Customers value the stronger scent and taste, and grinding spices in front of buyers adds authenticity. These machines can also grind coffee beans and grains, expanding product options and increasing overall profit potential. Some of the machines coming next are designed for high-volume production and can pay for themselves faster than most people expect. Food dehydrator machine. A food dehydrator machine removes moisture from food to create long-lasting snacks such as dried fruits, vegetables, herbs, and jerky. It uses gentle heat and air circulation to dry food evenly over several hours. Basic home dehydrators cost between $60 and $150, while stainless steel digital models range from $300 to $550. Even higher-end units remain affordable compared to industrial dryers, making them practical for home businesses. Dried foods have a long shelf life and low storage risk. With simple ingredients and attractive packaging, dehydrated snacks can be sold year-round, offering high markup and steady recurring profits. Egg grading machine. An egg grading machine is designed for small poultry businesses that sell eggs by size or weight. The machine automatically sorts eggs into categories such as medium, large, and extra large, ensuring consistency for customers. Small tabletop egg grading machines start around $2,600 to $3,100 and can process thousands of eggs per hour. Larger systems that wash, weigh, and pack eggs can exceed $100,000, which is unnecessary for home-scale operations. For small farms selling eggs regularly, this machine saves time and improves efficiency. Customers prefer graded eggs, and consistent sizing allows sellers to charge premium prices, helping the machine quickly pay for itself through improved productivity and higher earnings. Slushie machine. On hot days, cold drinks sell fast, and a slushie machine is built to meet that demand. These machines chill and continuously churn flavored liquids to create smooth, icy drinks like slushies, frozen lemonades, and granitas. Commercial units usually come with one or more bowls, each holding 2 to 3 gallons of liquid and keeping it semi-frozen for hours. A single bowl slushie machine typically costs between $900 and $1,500, while double or triple bowl models range from $2,000 to $5,000. High-end machines with advanced features can go beyond $4,000. Smaller home use machines under $100 exist, but they produce very limited quantities. For a serious home business setup, investing around $1,000 allows you to serve customers efficiently. Slushies have low ingredient costs and high demand in warm seasons, making this machine capable of generating fast returns and strong seasonal profits. Bean Milk Machine. Plant-based beverages continue to grow in popularity, and a bean milk machine makes it easy to produce fresh soy, almond, or nut milk at home. These countertop machines grind soaked beans or nuts, heat the mixture, and filter it into smooth milk and pulp automatically. Consumer-grade bean milk machines cost between $100 and $300, with feature-rich models priced around $275. Simpler machines are available in the $80 to $130 range, making them accessible for beginners. Industrial units are far more expensive, but unnecessary for small-scale sellers. With minimal ingredients and simple operation, this machine allows you to create fresh plant-based drinks in minutes. These products appeal to health-focused customers and specialty markets, making bean milk machines a smart choice for building consistent sales and long-term profit potential. If you are thinking about starting a home food business, the machine itself is only part of the story. What truly makes the difference is how you present what comes out of it. Clean packaging, clear labeling, and simple branding can instantly raise the value of your product. Many of the machines you saw today can be started with low upfront costs, while offering products that sell at high profit margins. Whether it is drinks, snacks, or specialty foods, consistency and presentation are what turn small batches into reliable income. Show the process on social media. Customers love watching food being made fresh. Start small, test demand, and reinvest profits into better equipment over time. With the right setup and smart choices, even a home kitchen can become a steady source of income. If you are thinking about starting a home food business, the machine itself is only part of the story. What truly makes the difference is how you present what comes out of it. Clean packaging, clear labeling, and simple branding can instantly raise the value of your product. Many of the machines you saw today can be started with low upfront costs, while offering products that sell at high profit margins. Whether it is drinks, snacks, or specialty foods, consistency and presentation are what turn small batches into reliable income. Show the process on social media. Customers love watching food being made fresh. Start small, test demand, and reinvest profits into better equipment over time. With the right setup and smart choices, even a home kitchen can become a steady source of income,